Cindy A. Lewis here. I have another message to add to my 25K journal. So you can still send me messages and I will still add them. If you would email me, that would be the best way, or you can send it in Messenger, however you like. This one is from Lori, and she is my sweet friend. And she just said, big congrats on hitting 25K YouTube subscribers. It will be 4 years since I subscribed to your channel, sometime in 2022. And she's been watching a ton of YouTube videos after her precious dog Tater passed away in March of 2022. And she needed a distraction from her broken heart. And I understand that. She said she will ever be grateful for finding my channel. I was the first person that she watched, and I made her feel like she could actually create something beautiful. It took her another year to feel confident enough to start, but little by little, she says, I built her confidence and gave her the courage to try. And then she began creating tags and pockets and to mail for the Gratitude Junk Journal Challenge in 23. And then she created some things in 2024 for the Shake Off the Winter Blues Challenge and giveaway, which was fun. And by then she was completely hooked and started making her very first junk journal after that in 24. She says it's still a work in progress, but she's never looked back, and she's totally blessed to be part of our YouTube community and beyond blessed to call me a friend. She says, I love you, and I'm so happy and excited and overjoyed for you and so proud. You inspire me every day. And I just really appreciate what a sweet message from Lori. So I'm going to fold it like this, and we're going to put it on this page here. I've cut out a pocket. This is a pocket from my Vintage Bits and Scrappy Delight kit. And it was on sale for 75% off until the 1st of June. And there was quite a few interested because that was only like $1.24 or whatever to purchase it. There's a lot of good stuff in there. And I'd like to know if somebody didn't get to and you would be interested, I could put it on sale again. I just didn't know if there'd be interest. So let me know if you're interested. But before I put that on, I want to use some solar spray. And I love solar spray. Golden Hour is my favorite. You really have to shake it up, but because there's pink in here, I wanted to add a Pity Party. This is called Pity Party, and it adds a pink pearlescence to it. So we're just gonna let that kind of dry and see if you can see the pink on it. It is very faint. All right, so we're gonna add this pocket, and then we're going to add a few embellishments. We're going to put that just right on this page, just like that. And hopefully this will fit in there. I might have to make it a little bit smaller. All right. And then I have this fun heart. And I'm going to actually sew a button on there and add it to the page. This is an actual vintage button that I have. I have a whole stash of them. And speaking of vintage buttons, I have a hidden giveaway for this little pack right here of buttons that I have accumulated that I will give away to someone. It is a hidden giveaway, and you put the word buttons in your comments. It will be drawn on June 30th with the other giveaways. So if you are interested in some vintage buttons, make sure you comment the word buttons. Yes, so that will be fun. So this is actually a vintage one. It actually looks like it's been through the mill, I'm telling you. And we're going to add this to this page as well, just for some embellishment. It can be older, but it doesn't look older. So I've got a few things to add. I've got Life is a Journey, so we're going to put that on here. And Journey is already on this pocket, but I just want to add it. Have a little tag and a little ephemera to go in here with the message. So I added a little dried flower, and I'm putting Lori's message in here. Thank you so much, Lori. I'm going to put that right there like that. And there we go. And that is my page. The only thing I was going to do was add a little crystal sparkle from my sparkle pen on here. And it kind of added a lot. So I'm going to just spread that out and then we'll be good to go. So don't forget to enter for the vintage button pack. And thanks so much for watching. And love you, Lori.